savory, rustic, flavorful. Today we're making a garlic mushroom white bean skillet that's rich, savory, and full of simple flavor. Today's stars are mushrooms, creamy cannellini beans, and fresh thyme. Brown the mushrooms until they're golden. Giving them space helps them brown instead of steam. Add the onion, then stir in the garlic and fresh thyme. Adding garlic after the mushrooms brown brings out its flavor without letting it burn. Learn how to bring more flavor to everyday ingredients. Download your Flavor First guide from the link below. Fold in the cannellini beans and season with salt and pepper. Rich mushrooms, creamy white beans, and fresh thyme in every bite. The links for today's recipe, the Flavor First guide, and to join Yum's Kitchen are in the pinned comment. See you next time.